guys, I'm back. I know I just posted a video, but I decided that I wanted to do another one because I had time, because I had to postpone my date. I'm sorry. I'm actually going to be doing a fall look because I have this stuff. Get lost. This stuff right there. So I was inspired. I'm like, alright, I'll just be one of those fall look type people. I'm gonna need like browns, oranges, and reds. Sure. So I think I'm gonna use this Morphe palette for some of it. And I have ideas. So I'm just gonna go and also where is my foundation? I used it yesterday. Cool. The infallible one. I'm not gonna use the Glotion, the stuff that I used. I'm not gonna use that. So I want to see exactly how glowy this is. I wish I could apply it. You know what? Hang on one second, because I think I want to do a beauty blender. See how that application goes also. Everything's fine. I'm just gonna quickly put this on to prime my face because I like to. Back. So I'm just gonna take some of this. I'm gonna see. I wish I could put my hair up. Oh, that's a curly one. Okay. I'll be right back. Okay, so that's not as glowy as yesterday's. So that glow is definitely because of this. So if you like that look, get that. But this is, it's like a medium glowy. I like it. Yeah, and it looks like up close. I wish I could like fully, you know what I mean, like convey that to you. It's really good. Well, I think you can see me better because I zoomed in a little bit more than what I normally do. So can you see that? Wow. Yes. Alright, alright. I'm going to conceal my under eyes a little bit with the Makeup Forever full cover. guess what everybody does, right? I'm going all out. So I used the Anastasia Brow Wiz first, and then I used the Dip Brow Pomade. This is legit. Yes, I'm trying to do my brows better. I know I said I wasn't that person, but I've always understood why people do it. It's just, to me, that's just a lot of time invested that I just really don't want to do, but I'm going to do the whole carve out my brows look in a moment. Okay, Instagram brows on, carved out to perfection. I wish I could see those up close. I think I mainly just did that to prove to you that I can do eyebrows. But I think people are like, she doesn't do them. Like, she always talks about how stupid it is to do that because she can't do it. And even though I preach that, like, it doesn't matter what other people think, well, I mean, no one's ever said that. It's just like, when I was watching one of my videos where he said that, in my own head, I was like, Jamie. So, yeah. I know how to do them. Yes, it looks nice. I'm not picking on people that do that. I'm sorry. I just do not like devoting that time. I'm like, yeah, it does tie in a little better. I'm sorry. I'm just a little bitter towards it because I mean, that didn't really take long. So I hope I don't fast forward that because it's not that big of a deal. It's just another step, and I'm just like, why? Oh, so I'm gonna take this Pure Cosmetics. It's like powder, but it's technically, I think, a foundation powder. But I love the way this looks. And I don't think I've used it in a look yet, but I love it. I've used it on its own, and I've never been like a powder only person. But this stuff, legit, really like makes your skin look flawless. It's weird how it works too, and I'm just gonna tap it lightly over the beginning of my brows also. Cause I don't like having like a blocky start to your brows or like a faded type thing. I don't know, this stuff, like, you know how I was talking in my last video about like a blur or a pore blurring powder? This would probably qualify. And I know this isn't just a finishing powder, this is like foundation apparently, which I can vouch for. It covers. I wish you could see like the flawlessness of my skin right now. Can you see it? Like you just can't see any flaws. Like, and I am so critical of the way my foundation ends up looking. So glad to be working. I'm happy. Now I think no, I need to roll up my sleeve. I'm gonna decorate cakes. I don't understand how people can have like hair in their face and their sleeves down here. I always roll up my sleeves. And Jade and Andy, welcome to the GBS. I just saw that you commented on one of my videos. So thank you. I'm glad you're part of the makeup, the put some color in your world crew. That's what I'll call it. So welcome and thank you. And so you guys know I have a t-shirt on at work, you know, and I always roll it up like way up here, and I think it looks ridiculous to you guys, but I can't stand stuff in my way when I'm trying to be creative and like working with icings or makeup. Like the fact that I'm wearing a sweater is killing me right now, but it fits the whole vibe right now, the fall vibe, and I got the, not flowers. What are those things called? Leaves. And then I got the fall sweater, and I'm gonna do a follow-up with his Instagram bios. So, you know, but normally I would not be wearing a sweater, doing makeup. I thought it was name. Okay. Wait, okay. So now I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna be fast forwarding this. I have a general idea as to what I want to do. Nothing major planned out. So, stay right there. I'll see you on the flip side. do this. Because you know, like with fall colors, whenever I do them on cakes, I always add in this one color. Maybe it's controversial, like in makeup, but I really, really want to do it. So just follow me. Like, let's just see how this works. powder in Pet Name. I look very warm. Now, I have several highlighter options. I got these in like a grab bag type thing. I have a high beam. I have one of these Fenty Beauty ones. That's like that. Let me just try that right there. Hey. Oh, really shiny. That's like a subtle but nice highlight. Alright. Then I have Milk Cosmetics. I think that's too dark for my skin. I don't see anything. And I have High Beam by Benefit. That's pretty. Yeah, it's more subtle. I'm usually more of a highlight person, so I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia real fast. Ooh, yeah, see? Powders to me just last a little longer and they're just more intense. So if you're not an intense highlight person, well, I think those other kinds of products can be good for you. But I'm an intense highlight person. I don't know why, I always have been. I just think it's pretty. And then people probably wonder why I don't just do one look. It's like not so intense with highlight. Because I don't want to. Oh, right, that is a little intense. What can do? Hello. So you can take like your beauty blender, just kind of pat it just to detensify. Detensify. It's quite a word. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the BH Cosmetics one first. And then a little bit more red. No, not like a purple hue to it. That was, I like that color. An Anastasia, catnip. I'm gonna let that dry down a little. And then this. It kind of dried down, but I'm gonna do the ultra glossy lip over it. See what I get from it. Just made it look like I got lip injections. Alright, well hey, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Like a fall look, which I generally just don't like doing. Because I don't like the colors associated with it, because it had like gold and burgundies and stuff, but I added that pop of purple to it. And then look at the lips. Like, you don't need lip injection. I'm so tired of these people doing makeup tutorials with their lips. Why isn't anyone happy with how they are anymore? I'm happy with me. Okay, I wasn't for a really long time when I was younger, but I am rocking my adorable chub body. I'm a chub, and I'm proud of it now. I'm healthy, so like, why does anyone have anything to say? Just be you. Stop chasing like this weird like thing in society. Like, says you have to be like perfect. Like, stop. Just stop it right now. Just be you, because somebody out there is gonna love you for the way you are. Trust me, they will. Where is my person? He'll find me one day. I'll be fine. So, I just sent a picture to a guy. It's really funny that I just said this just now. I just took a picture of my makeup just now, and his response just now was my sexy chub. I'm a adorable chub. Yeah, you have to have confidence. It's all about confidence, guys. So ladies, guys, if you're watching, just have confidence. Own it. Be you. Be yourself. Don't be anybody else. Just with the cute hair. It's all like, oh, I like that. Cute. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you for, I think I have 53 subscribers now since that last video. So thank you all. Like, I hope I'm creating this like awesome little community. And I hope I brighten up your day. Because I know talking to you guys and being able to be creative and having people appreciate it brightens my day. So thank you. I will see you next time. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Subscribe now. And then hit the bell for the notifications thing. Yeah, that's cool. And follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. I'm mainly just here though. Like, I find I just don't want to do that extra step after I do videos. But until next time, be kind, put some color in your world, and stay humble.